Good evening, doctors. Welcome again. This is NEET PG test series 4th. Ligaments holding the uterus in anteversion are. So, the best answer here is round ligament and ureterosacral ligament. Guys, if you score in this test series at least 70% marks, that means your rank is below 3000. If you score 50% marks, that means you are going to clear NEET PG. Okay, so anteversion is maintained by forward pull on uterine fundus by round ligament and backward pull on cervix by uterosacral ligament. True about ACTH and cortisol corticosteroid secretion. So the best answer here is ACTH has negative feedback control. In evening, ACTH secretion is minimum, in morning it's maximum. ACTH has major effects on mineralocorticoid secretion. This is false. Okay, so this is explanation here. Let's see some MCQs. Secreted by anterior pituitary and precursor is POMC. Okay, and negative feedback inhibition by glucocorticoids, and maximum in morning and minimum in evening. Remember, ACTH secretion increase in stress, exercise, depression, alcohol abuse, obesity, etc. And ACTH producing tumor. Hope clear. A young male presented with history of fatigue, tiredness. On his investigation, he had a hemoglobin 8. MCV of 101 means macrocytic. Hematocrit 33% with peripheral smear showing macrocytes and hypersegmented neutrophils. Which of the following most likely the cause of finding in this patient? So all four options in front of you. So this is a case of chronic alcohol abuse. Hypersegmented neutrophils we see in chronic alcoholic deficiencies, in B12 deficiency also. A child presented with the following findings in oral cavity. This is oral cavity, hope it's visible. And skin rashes. What kind of skin rashes is it and what is likely complication? This is a case of measles. And the most common complication in measles is acute myocarditis. Acute myocarditis. Sleep disturbances are diagnosed by. Pause this video, take 30 seconds, try to answer. Okay, answer is polysomnography. Polysomnography. Now, remote afterloads is employed with reference to for brachytherapy. This is mainly for brachytherapy. Which of the following is not cardiodepressive? Ethamidate is not a cardiodepressive. In cardiac patient, in general anesthesia, in spite of propofol, we used ethamidate. Now, identify the given condition in this image. What is it? The image shown here is, this is a case of isomorphic phenomena. Okay, overt gestational diabetes is defined as blood glucose more than. So, in overt, answer is more than 126 milligram per deciliter. Now, middle-aged man with a swelling over the neck since childhood. Neck swelling has a bag of worm appearance and palpable thrill. And audible bruit diagnosis is. This is a case of cricoid aneurysm when scrotum you feel like a bag of warm swelling in scrotum, that is varicocele, but in neck swelling, that is cricoid aneurysm. Remember A1, cricoid aneurysm. Okay. Now acetic fluid, SAAG, serum acetes albumin gradient less than 1.1. What is the disease associated with it? Answer is peritoneal carcinomatosis. In hepatic failure, constrictive pericarditis, idiopathic portal fibrosis, SAAG is more than 1.1. Which of the following is a live attenuated bacterial vaccine? Live attenuated bacterial vaccine is typhoid. Now, identify the vocal cord lesions shown in the image. So, write this answer 47 in comment section. Which one is it? Now, pain is out of proportion to signs in which corneal ulcer? So answer here is acanthoamebia keratitis. Acanthoamebia keratitis. Now, involvement of PIP, DIP and first CMC with sparing of wrist and MCPs seen in osteoarthritis. This is mainly seen in osteoarthritis. Now, which section of IPC is related to criminal abortion? The section of IPC which is related with criminal abortion is 313. Not a cause of traveler's diarrhea. So best answer here is Staphylococcus. All rest 3 causes traveler's diarrhea. Most important side effect of amphotericin B is answer is nephrotoxicity. Nephrotoxicity. Most common site of ectopic salivary gland is salivary gland, angle of mandible. Which chromosome involved in Angelman syndrome? You have to write this answer in comment section. Sorry. 24-year-old girl named Hina is often flamboyantly dressed and goes out on dates frequently. Although she changed boyfriend almost monthly, but she used to plan her marriage and future with each of them with equal enthusiasm and optimism. She would often make stories to seek attention. She is attention seeker. That's why she liked to change boyfriend. She would feel uncomfortable at big parties. In big parties, she is feeling very uncomfortable. Leave them midway. She leave that party. Hina made promises to other people that were impossible to keep out seemed to be aimed at winning their approval. When she broke the promise, she usually made up stories designed to elect sympathy and comparison diagnoses. Guys, in borderline personality, girl like to change boyfriend multiple times. Okay, but she don't like to seek attention, and she is not making any stories to grasp attention and sympathy. So this is a case of histrionic personality disorder. Okay, patient presented with history of diplopia and restricted eye movements. A clinical CT image is shown below. So this is a case of blowout fracture. blowout fracture. Ketamine contraindicated in. Ketamine is act as bronchodilator, safe in status asthmaticus. In obstetric hemorrhage, it is useful. In shock, because it increases blood pressure. So shock, it's helpful because in shock, what happened? BP down, hypotension, but it causes raised in pressure, in intraocular pressure. So in glaucoma, already pressure is high. So ketamine is contraindicated. So answer is this. Which of the following is not true regarding condition depicted in the image? I hope this image is not clear, but this picture is like acanthosis nigricans. So this we seen mainly in patient. Even I have so many patients, those have acanthosis nigricans develop. I advise them HbA1c, and that is positive. In diabetic, we see such may be associated with insulin resistant diabetes mellitus. Now, drug that is used for fetal lung maturity is, answer is dexamethasone, whereas folic acid deficiency in pregnancy causes neural tube defect. Which of the following is true about management of venous ulcers of lower limb? So, true about antibiotics, dressing do not potential to improve healing in venous ulcer. Urea breath test used for diagnosis of. This test mainly used for the diagnosis of H. pylori, Helicobacter pylori. When urea breath test advised after eradication therapy, urea breath test is best. Passive immunity from mother to child is transferred in. Answer is diphtheria. So guys, I already finished here with part 4th. If you have any queries, any questions, test series 4th, you can ask me. If somebody is new on my channel, please subscribe it, and if you like my videos, put like on it. Thank you. Good day. Goodbye. That's all for today.